I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to build a vending machine. To start with, you're going to need a platform 7 by 5, a pit, 7 by 5 by 2 deep, a chest, a regular chest, or trap chest works I think. Put a hopper on top of it, then you will need an observer, but we'll get to that in a second. You're also going to need a currency. You'll need to fill every slot in the chest with this currency. In this case, it is an emerald if you want it to only accept the currency that you want. You don't want them to throw anything to activate the vending machine. But then you put an observer. This is the tricky part. Put a block behind it, then a redstone torch, otherwise it won't work. Now you need to figure out a system for this. I'm experimenting real quick right here. This isn't going to work, I don't believe, because I did it incorrectly. To do here, I will need to run this redstone into the torch, except that isn't going to work though because 2 redstone torches connected. You see, that doesn't do anything. You're going to need to destroy that torch, run the redstone into a block, which, man, I hate backdating sometimes. My mind's just too far ahead of my past mind. Okay, then you put the torch on the side of that block that you're running the wire into. You see that? The current changes for a split second. Now you know you've got it. From here, you just need to connect a bunch of redstone torches on blocks above your other redstone torch. Now, all we have to do is experiment right here. The current changes. All cycles from here will work. I need to put a block here, another redstone torch here, then another block above it, then just a regular piece of redstone will do here. You want it to be in the off position by the time it reaches the dispenser on top, otherwise it will just keep the dispenser perpetually activated, and that won't make any sense. Then you need to make a track for the water to run on. However, we're going to need to build a frame around this whole thing for it to be able to work. You also need to build a gate in front, but we're going to cut to when the frame is built. Once we've built the frame here, here's a tricky part. You need to have a fence gate, but on the outside of the frame, not in the water track to the water. If you put one right there, it won't work. The item won't fall out for the player to grab, but you keep it outside, just one block outside. Then you get a water track going here. Make sure the water doesn't flow out and allow the player to climb up and access the dispenser. Now you will need anything to load your dispenser with, which any object will work, whatever it is you want to sell. And then next you're going to need some more currency to test this bad boy out. Boom, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe for more how-to videos on Minecraft. I will see you in the next one.